Assalamu alaikum class 10th. Welcome again. Today we are going to discuss direct and indirect narration as we have told you earlier. Today we are going to discuss its rule number 7. I select this rule number 7 because rule number 7 is matched with rule number 1 and 2. In this rule, the reporting verb is present tense, whether it is present indefinite, present perfect, present perfect continuous, or any type of present, and also the future tense. And when the reporting verb is present tense, then we will not change the internal tense. That tense will remain the same. रूल नंबर 2 में हमने पास्ट टेंस को किया था और पास्ट टेंस रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब जो था वो हमारे पास पास्ट टेंस था, जिसकी वजह से हमारे पास रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच में मौजूद टेंस चेंज हो गया था। ये जब हमने सेंटेंस को डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट फॉर्म में किया था तो उस सूरत में हमारे पास तमाम टेंस पास्ट टेंस में चेंज हो गए थे। लेकिन अब चूंकि हमारे पास रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब जो है वो या तो प्रेजेंट टेंस है या फिर फ्यूचर टेंस है, तो प्रेजेंट टेंस और फ्यूचर टेंस इन दोनों की मौजूदगी में हम रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच को चेंज नहीं करेंगे, या फिर हम जब डायरेक्ट सेंटेंस को इनडायरेक्ट सेंटेंस में लेकर जाएंगे तो हम कोई टेंस चेंज नहीं करेंगे। टेंस रिमेन सेम और टेंस में कोई चेंजिंग नहीं आएगी। फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पर आप देखें कि शी सेज आई होप आई एम नॉट लेट। अब शी सेज इज रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब और ये रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब है हमारे पास प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस। अब जब हम इसका इनडायरेक्ट बनाएंगे तो आ जाएगा हमारे पास शी सेज दैट शी होप्स शी इज नॉट लेट। Here we see that inverted commas are removed. The word or conjunction that is added, pronouns are also present indefinite will remain present indefinite. The next sentence is he says I want to speak to you. He says that he wants to speak to him. Here we see that the reporting verb is again present indefinite tense and the tense will not change in indirect sentence. The word that is added and the tense remains present indefinite. The next is you have said, present perfect tense. You have said they are waiting outside. You have said that they are waiting outside. Pronouns are changed, inverted commas are omitted and the conjunction that is added, but the tense is not changed. In present tense and in future tense, when the reporting verb is in the present tense or in the future tense, then we will not change the tense. You have said that they are waiting outside. The next example is you will say she is cranky. You will say that she is cranky. Here you will see that inverted commas are removed, the conjunction that is added, but the tense remains same. You will say that she is cranky. Now come to its exercise. They say we have done our duty. They say that they have done their duty. They say that they have done their duty. The next sentence is she says we have shifted to another duty. The next sentence is She says, we have shifted to another house. She says that they have shifted to another house. She says that they have shifted to another house. Exercise number 3 is, the teacher will say, you have done your homework, you have done your work very well. The teacher will say that I have done my homework very well. Here in all these sentences you see that the tense is not changed, but we change the pronoun. Pronoun is changed according to situation. The teacher say that I have done my homework very well. Sentence number 4 is, he says she has written me a very encouraging letter. He says, its indirect form is, he says that she has written him a very encouraging letter. Me is changed into him. The pronoun me is changed into him. Number 5. She says we love and respect our neighbors very much. She says we love and respect our neighbors very much. She says that they love and respect their neighbors very much. They says that they love and respect their neighbors very much. They says that they love and respect their neighbors very much. She has said she is ready to accompany us to Karachi. She has said she is ready to accompany us to Karachi. She has said that she is ready to accompany them to Karachi. Here again tense is not changed, but the pronouns are changed. Number 7 is, he says I have not heard the latest news about her. He says that he has not heard the latest news about her. Number 8 is, the doctor says the patient is still in a state of coma. The doctor says that the patient is still in a state of coma. Number 9 is, the teacher says she has always been a good student. The teacher says that she has always been a good student. She will say, number 10 is, she will say he did not come up to my expectations. She will say that he did not come up to her expectations. Thank you. 10th class, inshallah we will do the next topic, pair of words, in the next lecture. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.